Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your money on Autopilot. For this video I'm going to use a CPA lead, a website that's going to pay you money, a Pinterest as your free traffic source, and another free landing page builder. So you can use these three tools to make a passive income on Autopilot. So watch the video until the end, how to set it up, which kind of offer that you can promote and how you can promote, and everything I will explain in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, press the bell icon. If you want to learn more about make money online, subscribe, like and share this video. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is watch the video until the end and like this video, leave a comment, I like this video. So alright, so what is this CPA lead? CPA lead is going to pay you money for every action that a customer take. That could be a clicking a link or submitting their email address. So CPA lead is similar to the Max Bounty, but it's not famous enough, but it's still there. You can use to make some kind of passive income on Autopilot, which I'm going to show you. So if you sign into CPA lead, this works worldwide, so you don't have to spend many times and you don't have to eligible any qualification. Just put your email address and password. That's it, guys, that you sign into this network. After that, what you have to do, click this called offers. These offers gonna give you different offers that are available different part of your country. So I first recommend, if you want to promote a CPA offers from this website, first go with your country, then you can go with the different country. So you can see there's a different offers tab from USA that's going to be 64 cents, and if you go down the bottom, that is from, well, it's there's a USA, and there's other countries, Canada, Australia. So I'm living in UK, so I want to promote a UK based offers. So the one thing I want come around, this one is called flash deal vouchers. This is a Mauritian, it's a supermarket that's similar to Walmart in USA. So that you can promote this offer and that you can get paid around $4.52. Or if I can show you guys, that you can see that's $4.52 per offer. Okay, so what this customer had to do is click this link. This is the preview, this is the dashboard. They had to complete this offer. Customer click this and complete the offers until the end. It's a 2-minute survey. If they complete the survey, I earn $4.52 on Autopilot. It's a passive income if it's an Autopilot. So this is the offer that you want to promote. Before you promote offers, you have to understand one thing clearly. You can't use the customer logo, so you can't use the company logo on your promotions, or when you build a landing page or a pin or whatever, a banner, whatever that you build. You can use the name, but you can't use the logo. And you can use any of these methods to get traffic for your offers. And also you need to understand, if it all device, then it's okay, but if it is Android or Apple devices, you need to be careful, because if you drive traffic from your PCs, that won't be count and you won't earn money. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand where the offer, where the most of the customer want or all of the customer want from. So you can see that for this offer you can only promote inside the UK, not outside the UK. Okay, that you need to understand this about the offers. After you've done that, what you have to do, so you have to understand what kind of pin that people already using on Pinterest similar to that offer that you want to promote. That you can see this person is promoting giveaway offers, basically gift cards and vouchers. That you can see Microsoft Word, Microsoft gift cards, and you can say free phones and eBay gift card, Netflix, and something like that. That you can see this person has around 431 followers, 1K following, and around getting 7,000 monthly views. So you can see only for these gift card and vouchers, these people are 7,000 people are visiting this person page, and some of them will click and complete the offers, and this person earn money. That you can see, if I move a mouse over there, that you can see there's a different link, and this is the different link. This is this person promoting different offers. So if I click one of this to open, that you can see basic pin that you say how to get a Microsoft gift card. That's it. So if I click this one, it will take you to the page where you got to complete an offers to in order to get that. And you can see this is a basic landing page that person is promoting it, and you get that money when the person complete an offer. So this is an idea that you can follow up, but there's a problem. I will explain how you can add in a link that without Pinterest is stopping from posting your post. So what you have to do first, when you understand the pins that already people are promoting, go to Canva and create a basic pin, because each offer you're going to create new pins. And one thing you need to understand, if an affiliate offer say that don't use their logos, they mean don't use their logos. For example, if this offer about win a $1,000 Walmart gift card, mean that you can't use a Walmart logo. So see, there's some people are using Walmart logo on this post, but if they identify that, you will get removed or something like that. But don't use the logos. If they ask you to not use the logo, don't use that. Then you can use the name. So that's why this is shopping center name, that this is the offer I want to promote. So the flash date win merchant voucher, limited time only. This is the pin I want to first promote. So what you have to do after you create the pin, click this one, download it. After you download it, what you have to do, you need to upload that pin here. You can see this is my page that I have around 496, 500 followers and 1k following, and I get around 7,000 monthly views, and I promote various stuff from t-shirt designs to ebook to affiliate offers. So that's why my audience varies from different categories. So I want to create a new board and I upload that pin inside that. So I want to click this one called create, and this is the I want to upload new pin, so create pin. And what you have to do, click this one and upload the pin that you already downloaded into your computer. Click this one and open. After that, what you have to do, put the title and a name. So win merchant voucher. That could be a different offer that you want to promote. So this is the same thing. So you're gonna little bit talk about flash deal win merchant. You need to add a little bit more description inside that if you want that pin to perform well. So in SEO wise, if you provide more information, it will put that your pin in front of lots of people. So you need to understand that you can put up to 500 words inside, 50 characters that you can see here, that you can, people usually see the first 50 character, but you can put up to 500 character inside. Also you can put hashtags. So I can put gift card, free gift card, and I can put voucher. Then I can put the shopping name, so people are searching for the shopping name, right? Okay. Then I can put little bit. You can add, I think you can add up to 50 hashtags on inside the Pinterest, but make sure how much you can add. After you've done that, this part is done. You need to click this one is called, and where you're gonna put this pin inside the board. If you don't create any boards, so click this one, create board, and put this. I'm gonna call gift cards and vouchers. Okay, and create that. It's done. So you create the pin, upload it here, you create the board. Now what you have to do, you need to put the destination link. Again, you can't put this destination link because Pinterest will remove the spammy looking affiliate links, right? So what you have to do, you're going to build a simple landing page. I'm going to show you the website that you can do it for free within 2 minutes. This website is called bookmark.com. I already made a video on that. I put that video link on the description or card and the end of the video. Go and check it out. So basically you can create a basic landing page with this website. So you can see this is the landing page I created for this offer. You can see this offer name in the front. There's another name, and you can see the progressive path, like a 77 is gone, limited time offer, only 23 is left, so that people can sign in, click in and sign in. This is the offer landing page. So when they click it, they will know this is the landing page they're gonna see. So this is the image of the offer, and there's the button, basic simple landing page. If you want, you can gather their email address to provide something for free extra if you want, but if you don't want that, just you can go with a simple redirection button that people will click the button and it will redirect to the offers. What you have to do, once you click and publish to your site, this is your custom domain, then you can copy that and go to your Pinterest page and put it there. And what you do, click publish. That's it, your pin is live on your Pinterest. Now what you had to do is create a multiple pin that's similar to this. So you can go to CPA Lead or different affiliate networks, find a basic gift card offers. Okay, then you create the pin, bunch of them, and put it there on the board, so you can organically grow free traffic from Pinterest, and whenever the people click that and complete the offers, that you can make money. Also, if you have a little bit money, that you can promote the pin, like in a Facebook boost, that you can see 400 million people come to Pinterest every month. So you can just spend a little bit money every single day, that you can put the pin in front of lots of people that's searching for gift card or vouchers in a specific shopping center or specific e-commerce site. So you can promote that. So you can promote gift card for PayPal, Amazon, or Walmart, or whatever you can go to CPA Lead and find different offers for them from them, and you promote it on Pinterest. But this method, what you do, you use all free stuff. You use a CPA Lead, which is going to pay you money, and Pinterest is the way you're going to use a free traffic, and a bookmark is a free website to create a landing page. So it is up to you guys. Just don't create one pin and wait it for the magic to happen. That's never going to happen. So do as much as work. Again, like I said, this is automated passive income. So once you set it up, when your pins start to generate organic traffic, then you can make money out of it, guys. I hope, guys, you understand this video, and if you want a different videos on money making, leave a comment and like this video. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, win this video 100 like, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.